Everyday English for beginners. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm studying. I'm studying. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please come in. Please come in. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Come with me. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go. I am hungry. I am hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I am tired. I am tired. I am busy. I am busy. I don't understand. I don't understand. Please help me. Please help me. What is this? What is this? Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going home. I'm going home. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you. You are welcome. You are welcome. I'm sorry. I am sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Good night. Good night. Repeat these sentences every day and you will be able to speak English fluent. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel.